From the GitHub CLI, install the GitHub Agentic Workflows extension. Navigate to your repository and add your first agentic workflow, daily repo status, from our Agentics collection. You can choose which agent you want to run your workflow, GitHub Copilot, Claude, or Codex. Let's choose GitHub Copilot and add our personal access token. We accept and merge this workflow, and we let it run. Let's look at the merged pull request. Here we see the compiled GitHub Actions workflow and our source markdown file. This file contains front matter for triggers, read-only permissions, tools, and safe outputs for write. It also contains markdown with a task description and natural language. In this case, to create a new issue with the report. Navigating to the Actions tab, we can see that the workflow is currently running. Let's wait until all steps are complete. Great! Let's look at the created issue report. We see a beautiful status report generated by the daily repo status workflow.